There we go. Today I'm going to show you just a couple of basic tests on how to check your window reg to see if it's faulty. Now, each window reg is going to go up and down each way. So one, you just need to test one onto your battery negative and positive. It will stop on one end. To test it that goes the other way, just swap the plugs around and retest. If you can hear your motor working inside your window but the window not going up and down, more than likely you have a broken cog inside your motor on this style of window reg. Another common fault that people don't realise is you need to double check that you're getting 12 volt at the window when using the window switch. Here we have a cable type window regulator. Same process as I'm testing these, positive and negative. And swap polarities around to test it goes the other way. If you can hear your window reg working inside but the window not going up, more than likely on this style you'll have a broken cable or a knot inside the motor.